Hi, hello. Welcome to today's session. Let's continue our discussion to the topic functions of political parties from the chapter political parties. So, in the previous session, we discussed first, second, and third function of the political parties. That is, political parties plays a very important role in contesting the elections. Then after contesting in the elections, the political party which is able to prove the majority and which is able to form the government, then after it put forth or it implements various policies and programs. Then along with that, it makes various laws keeping the progress and development of the nation or the country. Then, after discussing the first, second, and third functions of the political party, let's continue the remaining functions of the political party. So, fourth function is political parties mainly fill up political offices, particularly legislature, then ruling party, and then after opposition party. So, this is the most important function. Different officers which makes the establishment of administrative unit in the form of government. So behind that, political parties plays a very important role. So after the completion of elections, then the different candidates or the different representatives, one who got elected from different constituencies, all these different people together they fill the different seats required for legislature, either to state legislature or either to Lok Sabha. Then after, the political party which is able to prove the majority, and the majority political party will be able to form the government. So then after, the party which is able to form the government, then it is going to be identified as ruling party. Then there also it is working, there also it is functioning as ruling party. Then after, the political parties which lag behind in securing or in proving the majority, then the political parties goes on working as opposition party. So for the success and failure of democracy and for proper working of the government, so seats are mainly need to be filled for legislature. Then after, ruling party is also important. Then after, opposition party is also important. So these offices are mainly filled by the political parties. So that's why this is also one of the important function of the political party. Then the political parties mainly shape the public opinion. Political parties mainly shape the public opinion. So second function of the political party, that is, political parties put forth policies and programs. So the present political party which is working as a ruling party, then it is the primary duty of the political party to introduce the services, programs, schemes, policies, laws in favor of people and also in favor of overall development of nation. Then if the political party fails, then after, the opposition party is going to work in bringing the ruling party to the proper platform, and also both ruling party and political parties mainly shape work in favor of public. That's why these political parties shape the public opinion. So for better understanding of this, so just recall we discussed about three different components of the political parties, namely leader, and then activist and followers. So if the political party is having more and more number of followers, it's because of its policies. So if if the followers are not coming forward to give accept the policies and programs, then the political party may not work properly in favor of people. So, to and fro, it is mainly uh, from the people side itself. That's why political parties are mainly shape the public opinion. Then last one, political parties mainly provide access to the government machinery. Government machinery. So government is an organization or an agency which is established to work in favor of people, which implements various plans, programs, services, schemes, and other things to the people, and also it holds control on people by implementing various rules and regulations. So, in order to make the smoother and proper working of the government, so political parties mainly assess to the government machineries. So the first organ of the government, that is legislature, it is mainly going to be filled by the political parties, whereas second and third organ of the government, that is executive and judiciary, so these are mainly able to function or able to work when the political parties are going to work in favor of people with new kind of services, plans, schemes, and other things. So I repeat the six important functions of the political party. Political parties mainly contest in the elections. Then they put forth, they implement various policies and programs. Then they make the laws. They fill the political offices, then they shape the public opinion, then they provide an access to the government machinery. So with this, let me stop today's session, and remaining content from the chapter will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Thank you one and all.